Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a text behind an object effect. First, take the text tool and type the preferred text. Make sure you have imported or opened the image you want in the effect. Next, let's transform the text. Press Ctrl and T. Please subscribe our channel and join our family for more useful videos. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more exciting videos on a regular basis. Let's make the image more larger. Then select the subject of the image to be placed in front of the text. You can use the same method as mine. And you can also do some adjustments to the selection by using different selection tools available. Make a copy of the selection by pressing Ctrl and J while the subject is selected. Place that copy in front of the text, and then take a copy of the text. Place that copied text in front of the subject and turn its fill to 0. Next, open the blending options for it and choose stroke. Choose inner stroke and stroke size. And guys, if you haven't joined our WhatsApp channel, join now using the link given in the description and pinned comment for more updates and resources. Click OK. Then hold both the text layers by using the Ctrl key and link them. Now our effect is done perfectly. You can move the text all around and you will still have the effect. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video and got something useful. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in another interesting tutorial.